My name is Zuber Sheikh and I have my digital marketing agency, and in UAbility I am building a product which is highly scalable with the help of Rohan and Pratham. Mastermind is something that the Rohan, which he told me that is it something. Initially, I was not keen to have a product being an agency owner, but over the period of time, I realized yes, if I need to scale to the massive level, then I need to have a product. And what can be the best? Being a digital agency owner, we can train students or working professional, those who want to make a career in digital marketing, giving them a practical exposure on live projects, internship, and the job opportunities. Yeah, Elite is something building your agency or an independent work. When I joined Elite in the initial days, it was kind of a niche and most of the framework was already ready. We were doing quite well in terms of our business in Elite, and it was fine going on. But there was always one thing which is, let's say tomorrow you have 1,000 clients. As an agency, when you are growing, you have a client servicing, project management costs, your profits getting reduced day by day. And to manage all this client, so it's not a highly scalable model. So that's where I thought, okay, now it's time to have your own product built and ready for the market, which we already did a pilot testing phase and it's went well. And now this year we have certain targets to take that to the next level. It's like Immuse, there is no pricing I can mention, but I don't think there is any other program which I came across in India that have in the mastermind. And most important thing, the personal time which we get from Pratham and Rohan to get into our framework, whether it's a offer or whether it's your sales process, and right now what event we are doing, all these are a personal mentorship where handhold things gets, and each and every minor things will be observed and fix it. It's great. We need to have more such event. It's collaborators to meet other people, what they are doing. It's lots of learning. So I think it's a great experience during, and the kind of arrangements and everything done and the kind of learning what we are getting through this event. It's amazing. In terms of goal, certain milestone, as I mentioned, it was a MVP. First, we need to try an MVP, minimum viable product, which is acceptable in the market or not, and that's got good success. So that I can say we built a small community of students and those transforming their career. So that is success, all learning through UAbility Mastermind. So the only message, don't do so much of analysis. You will get into the paralysis mode. There is no other program which can take you to the next level. If you are a coach, business consultant, anyone who want to build a product and scale, this is the best program, what I can tell you.